Hey, g'day, Rudy here, and welcome to Australia's most comprehensive gold and gold miners and ETFs update. Okay, so what are we looking at here? So this is what I reckon is real tailwinds for gold, which is the US 30-year over the 10-year bond rate. Because this going up signals stagflation. Look it up if you don't know what it is. But it's essentially very positive for gold and silver, especially silver. So while that's going up, yeah, happy to hold gold. Okay, and the other one that will put the nail into, well, we'll put a rocket under gold will be this US dollar, the US dollar index against the basket of currencies. Just go to a monthly chart for those that haven't seen it before, because gold, obviously it's gold in US dollars, so when the USD goes down, gold goes up, and if it falls below this big channel here, gold's just going to rocket. So that would be a bonus, but for now it's a good place to be. Okay, so this is gold USD on the weekly chart. Okay, so we've broken the wedge. It wouldn't be surprising to see it pull back a little bit. As I keep saying, the longer we go this way, the more powerful it'll be that way. So we'll see what the boys in the bullion bank do. The Aussie dollar, US dollar, because obviously that's important. We're just going sideways, really. So the US dollar going down doesn't really, because we're just as bad as the US, or they're all just as bad. I'm sure that's why you're investing in gold, because you don't believe in current paper money. Okay, so Aussie dollar gold. So yesterday we poked our head up, so probably another little comeback down, retest. Bit of fun for gold over Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's getting a bit hammered at the moment, but so gold is now outperforming Bitcoin. Okay, so onto the ETFs. So we'll go to weekly charts. So GDX. Up and away, and the miners, and when whoever was first in the channel, we were buying them back here. I haven't done this one before, so this is miners over GDX. So it's just going to follow. It's GDX that's hedged. So as the Aussie dollar goes up, it basically goes up. And someone asked, how is the GDX going against the King? For those who don't know, the King is the MVR ETF. I've named it a core holding. It's made up of all our big miners, BHP, Rio, Northern Star's in there. Gets a gig, but that's forming. So you got your bullish pennant. So GDX is expected to outperform MVR, which I do because it's half iron ore, basically, MVR, but good div, 4+%. Okay, the GDX over NASDAQ, so over the tech stocks. So the gold miners have resumed their uptrend over tech stocks. It actually started outperforming at the beginning of the year. Okay, so off to our American ETFs. So GDXJ up, SDGJ up, GBUG up, GOE up, and LSX, to my man who's in LSX, they're a listed investment company. Put the faith in them, giving money to the right capital raisings. Nice break of the declining wedge, so bullish. GDX over LSX. So LSX There's well, so far this week outperforming GDX, so well done, mate. Okay, so this GDXJ, so the junior miners over GDX, so it's a bit of a draw this week. GDX over GOE, these all 6% range. They all basically do the same 4% range, except for this one, GDX over SGDJ. The GDXJ seems to have it over that one. Okay, so these will go through the global miners which make up GDX. So you've got Newmont up, Wheaton. So this is one of those royalty companies going up. Franco about to take out that channel there. Agnico, world's lowest cost miner. Barrick up. Anglo Gold consolidating, then up. Kinross up. Okay, onto Australia. So this is the XGD, which is, we wish they'd create an ETF. So this is just our gold miners, the gold index. Okay, here we go. Alkane broken through resistance. Up. Black Cat still waiting. That rounded bottom though, it should go. BGL, the net zero miner. I read they thought they'd get more for their gold if it's net zero. Someone still hasn't told me if they're buying carbon credits to become net zero. Anyway, Rick Rule loves them, so it hasn't popped yet. So Capricorn up, going. CYL going. Evolution, it's got its giddy up now. Emerald's got its giddy up. Genesis, just a little bit more to do. Horizon, that's first past first test. That's the next test. Newmont we've done. So Northern Star, the big fella, had his big run. Now he's just getting ready. So he's fine. He's fine. That was his. When he got slammed down here, that's when he was a buy. ABM, as we said, it was just waiting to take that out. So he's off. Who else we got here? Pantoro, it's a beautiful buy back then. So that's up. Perseus, did I say it right, mate? I'm getting picked up for my pronunciations on Kamiko and Kamiko too. So Perseus up. He's done it. Remelius, yep, up, gone. Regis, done it. Resolute, that's actually a bearish sharp pattern if it breaks. St. Barbara, so that gets a tick now. He's broken the declining channel there. Who else we got here? Volt, that was a beautiful buy back. The Volt's up. So WAF, yep. Westgold, yep. So everyone must be feeling pretty happy at the moment. Let me know your thought. Let me know which ones are in. Okay, so now the small producers. So Oric gets a buy today. Beacon. Well, I don't know if that's a. If you're in it, you hold it, obviously. But yeah, I wouldn't buy it. It's, Kaiser Reef just. Yeah, I don't know. There's obviously lots out there. Mika. So Mika looks like it's going to do it now, poking its head up through that trend line. Rand. So still Still needs to do a little bit more. Vertex, yeah, it just needs to do a little bit more. Okay, the developers, so Astral, just needs to do a bit more. Osgold, oh, this was given to me by a subscriber. You were going to send me some more info on them. Anyway, I only got this the other day, but that was a that was a buyback then. Looks good though. Barton Gold, I thought it needed to maybe come back and consolidate. No, it's off. Bright Star, just needs to do a little bit more. Sell, Challenger, off. PDI, so that continues. That's the goer. Hey, Sunshine Metals, that's another. So just needs to do a little bit more. Santana needs a little bit more. Saturn Metals, I reckon you'd give that a go now. That's going to go. Rocks. So Rocks had that nice cup and handle, so that's gone. TOC. This was a new one from a subscriber. Gold, silver, copper in Papua New Guinea on the mainland. Old producing mine. So that's a nice pennant forming there, but needs to do a little bit more. Or if you're a long-term holder, you'd buy it. West Smiths. So yeah, that's good to go. And then just a couple of Explorers. So Ordell, waiting for a big hit. Patronus, waiting for a big hit. And Win, did their raising at 2 cents, waiting for a big hit. Alright, so that's a wrap of the gold. If you got any updates on those companies, or you got some new ones you want to add in, let us know. Otherwise, I'm sure you're all pretty happy chappies. Alright, see ya.